Your garage floor has a crack in it. It looks unsightly, and you wonder, how did that happen? That would be my thought as well. Stay tuned to hear the 4 causes of cracks in your garage floor. Hi, I'm Nolan and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I began working full-time at AccuLevel in 2013. Cracks on the garage floor is inevitable. In this video, I'll tell you what causes cracks and what can be done to fix them. There are many different things that can cause your garage floor or your concrete to crack. One of those biggest things can be temperature change. The dramatic temperature from warm to cold, and if there was any water that's around the slab, can cause that water to freeze, therefore causing cracks in your concrete. When a crack is caused by temperature change, this is a cosmetic crack and something that can be easily repaired. Has that garage floor begin to settle? If that's the case, this could be a lack of soil compaction, erosion, and showing you the signs that this slab's settling. Just a crack repair is not going to be a good method for this garage floor. Another reason for cracks in your garage slab is just simply the concrete contracting. Over the years, as it continues to cure out, dry out, that concrete actually shrinks, and if it's not reinforced properly, it could just continue to crack as it cures out over time. The final reason that this concrete slab could be cracking is the actual foundation of your garage. So the slab of your garage is tied into the foundation, usually sitting on top of the footing of your garage. So if the garage begins to settle, then that's going to allow extra voids for your slab inside your garage to settle as well. How do you repair a garage floor? If it is determined that that crack is just cosmetic and it's due to the concrete shrinking or moisture or something along those lines, all that needs to be done is to use a grinder to grind out that floor, grind out that crack, then seal that with a good caulking that can seal that crack up for you. Now, if it's determined that it's caused by actual settlement, whether it's just the garage slab or the foundation of the garage, then we're gonna have to look at doing slab jacking on that garage floor to raise that garage floor, or at a minimum stabilize it so that we don't continue just to do the cosmetic repair time and time again. If you have issues with your garage floor, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, click the Book a Consultation button at the top right corner, fill out the form, and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about cracks in your garage floor? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.